as I want these elements to appear, if you remember here, my element to appear from bottom, from bottom to up, I will use the screen again and once again use an apply peg and create a new animation of my element. So as you can see, every time I need to go back and select my anchor point, but what I want is this to be from down. If I apply it on the composite, I will see it properly. So I want it down from here to here, for instance, on frame 70. Let's go. Okay. And as I want this to be a bit more bigger, I unselect animate and okay. So now I shall see my elements revealed by my mask, and once again I want the alpha of the mask, the border, not to be, sorry for I touched the mic, so I want this not to be that straight here. So next move is to create another alpha, different alpha, but I'm gonna try another way of doing it. So I will use a turbulent noise and a refract, because I want to show something that we are able to use from now. So let's plug my refract under here, because I want the element to be mask and deform. So let's plug it and let's use a turbulent noise here. And I will put my turbulence here so that you can see it, and I will change the settings from, okay, let's say 15 will be enough, and I will change the evolution from here, where is it, the O, so I make it appear. I've created it, so from here to here, here is my turbulence fx, and I will change the evolution so that it is going to move. Okay, so what I want this element to be seen through the refract. So if I increase the 8 of my refract, it should be seen, but as you can see, it is not, because my refract uses the evolution between white to black of this element, but also using the alpha channel. And as you can see here, my turbulence noise is totally has no transparency, no alpha channel. So what I want to do is I want to specify harmony that I want the alpha channel to be the white part of my turbulence noise. In order to do that, I will use a filter which is called channel swap and plug it to my element here and go inside the channel swap, and here in the channel swap I can assign the alpha channel to be only the red, the green, the blue, for instance, if I have red, green or blue, or just like here, the luminance. So my alpha will be the luminant part of my element. So if I see that, you see that the black disappears and my alpha channel is now the white part. So if I plug it now here, I will create some element to be deformed with my refract, and I will adapt the turbulence so my elements will be totally deformed by it. Okay, and from now let's create a keyframe. Let's say it will be 15 and 15. Let's jump to 0. Okay, and now what I want is a glow to appear above this. Okay, at the same time. So from here, create a shortcut until 70, another, create two intermediate one. Okay, and now I want this to be 0, and the glow, I want the glow to be a bit lightened, so 0 here, 150, and okay. Let's copy this until here and reduce everything here. Okay, and everything of this will be seen through the shadowy part which I've created. So I will use a tone and make everything be shadowy with this. So now I got this small panel, I got the big panel, the screen. All my elements are done.